Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump a fuel pump relay. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before working with electrical components. Next, you'll need to locate your vehicle's fuse box. This is typically found under the hood, inside the cabin under the dashboard, or in the trunk. Consult your owner's manual for the precise location. Once you've found the fuse box, identify the fuel pump relay. Your owner's manual or the diagram on the fuse box cover will clearly label it. Relays typically have 4 or 5 pins. Before jumping, you might want to gently pull the relay out. Examine the pin layout. This is crucial for correctly inserting your jumper wire. Understanding the pin configuration helps ensure you connect the right terminals for power and ground. To jump the relay, you'll need a short piece of 16-gauge or 18-gauge wire. Carefully insert one end of the jumper wire into the slot for the constant 12-volt power supply, and the other end into the slot that leads directly to the fuel pump. This bypasses the relay, sending power straight to the pump. Once connected, turn your ignition to the on position and listen for the fuel pump to hum. If the fuel pump still doesn't activate after jumping the relay, first double-check the fuel pump fuse. It might be blown. If the fuse is good, the problem could be a faulty fuel pump itself, or a wiring issue between the fuse box and the pump. At this point, further diagnosis by a professional might be necessary. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your ride fresh. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.